In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a passkey to your Coinbase account. Adding a passkey enhances your account security by giving you a more seamless and secure login process, leveraging modern technology like biometric recognition or dedicated hardware devices. It's a smart step to fortify your crypto assets. Firstly, you'll want to open up the Coinbase app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top left corner of the app's interface. There, you'll find the three horizontal lines commonly known as the hamburger menu. Go ahead and tap on that. Now that you've accessed the menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Settings. Tap on that, and then proceed to select Security. This is the section of the app where you'll be making the necessary changes to add your passkey. Upon entering the security section, you'll want to tap on Change Security Settings. It's from this point that you can start making adjustments that pertain directly to your account's safety measures. Next, you should locate the Passkeys section. It might be listed in the form of a straightforward heading or even a part of a broader list of security options. When you find it, tap on the Add button. This will initiate the setup process, guiding you through the initial steps effortlessly. At this stage, you'll be asked to choose your preferred device or method for the passkey. This could be via a fingerprint scanner, Face ID, or a hardware security key depending on what your device supports and what you're most comfortable with. Each option provides a slightly different experience, but all aim to boost your security. Once you've made your selection, simply follow the on-screen prompts to register your passkey. This part of the process is usually straightforward. For example, if you chose a fingerprint scanner, you would need to touch the sensor as instructed until your fingerprint is successfully registered. The prompts are designed to lead you through effortlessly, ensuring clarity every step of the way. Once you've completed the registration, your newly added passkey should now be visible in the list of security settings. It signals that you have successfully set it up and it's now ready for use. By taking these steps, you've significantly strengthened the security of your Coinbase account, giving you peace of mind whenever you access your crypto assets. And there you have it. You've added a passkey to your Coinbase account in just a few minutes. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance the security of your digital assets. Thank you for following along, and be sure to stay secure out there, though.